What's good, guys? So this week we took 3 good trades on the prop firm account this week. 3 clean trades on the prop firm account. First of all, first one was on the USDJPY, second one was on the GBJPY, and the third one was on Euro AUD. Here you can see on Euro AUD, the clean setup was that price took us out already on the Euro AUD. We lost to the market on Euro AUD, and why was because this was our fair value gap. I was expecting price to reiterate on this particular fair value gap over here. Price tapped us in here and was expected to give us a little profit and take us to this particular man. This was our take profit here, I think. Yeah, so this was what I was expecting price to do, to tap us in and give us at least 1:2 risk to reward ratio, but we failed and price took our loss. Now, a little recap on this particular place was that this fair value gap here was a failure. This fair value gap is a failure on its own. So therefore, what we need to do is for us to restructure this particular trade, something like this. Now you can see our other block over there. This is our other block over here. So we'll be taking our buy position for this other block, but as for buy, we need to buy this particular pair because price is bullish. Euro AUD is bullish. These are sell side liquidity. If price can take out this liquidity for us, then we'll be buying. If price should take out this liquidity for us, then we'll be buying this particular pair from this particular area, from here, and our stop loss will be placed below here, and our TP will be shift above here. As clean as this is our second entry. I think there will be a second entry for this particular pair. If price should take us out again on this particular one, then oh no, we'll see. So first of all, this week Monday, I first finalized the yen basket for a proper movement for our USD JPY. So for my yen basket in a 1 hour time frame, you can see why I called this particular sell. Now, as you can see from the market, when price was at this particular place, we made a movement. I'm going to pin everything to the particular. I'm going to pin everything to the chart. You understand? When price was at this particular place, you can see it. You can see it in the chart right now. When price was at this particular area, I told you guys that we need price to retrace to this other block over here before pushing to the downside. If price can give us a clean move back to this our other block over here, then we'll be anticipating to sell our USD JPY. And as I predicted it, price did what? Obeyed my command and moved back to this other block over here before dispatching down to the downside. So how do I take advantage of this opportunity? I switched over to my USD JPY and see a clean opportunity like that. This is a clean opportunity like that in this particular area over here. This was the break of structure, and this was a fair value gap in between this particular man over here. Fair value gap was resting in between here. So price did what? Price returned back and tapped us in. Okay, you can see it over here, guys. Price tapped us in into our entry. This is also our entry. Yeah, after taking out, let me show you guys a little liquidity which was residing there. Yes, price tapped us in this particular place. After taking out this little liquidity residing below here, price tapped us in and dispersed us to our take profit. I'm going to post again the profit we made. You're going to see the profit we made from this particular area. You see it in the screen right now. So this was how we made at least up to $4,000 from this particular trade. But later on, I told you guys to shift to break even because of the unemployment claims that was released yesterday. We shift our stop loss to break even, to be in a safer side. But as you can see, price didn't even near our break even and continue going, and price is still pushing up to the upside. I think we are heading somewhere, but our best direction and our main man direction is the yen basket. Anything in the yen basket tell us about this particular market is what we'll be facing. You understand, guys? But from my best knowledge, price is reacting from this fair value gap over here. You understand? So after that fair value gap, we'll see when where and when next price will be moving, but that should be next week because today is Friday and we're not trading on Fridays, because also again today was NFP and that didn't react that much in the market, you understand. So this was how we caught this particular move. And again, for my GBJPY, the same setup was played out in our GBJPY. Network. I just decided to do this video and keep you guys updated. So now you can see we're still moving up to our buy side liquidity. We're still moving up, pushing to the upside. Okay, but I'm going to also place a clip on for you guys to see how we get to this particular area when price just gave us this particular break of structure before returning, before and after. I'm going to show it to you guys in this particular area. So after that, price returned to our favor, but eventually we were supposed to take our buy position from this fair value order block over here, but price only respected our fair value gap, and from that particular place price took us to our TP from a particular place, from that fair value gap. So but actually we are not already fully booked in our TP. We are still moving, but I think a little pips more. Don't be greedy, you can close the market from now if you want. So now checking our DXY, we also checked our DXY this week, and but no pure market price action in our DXY. You can see it, no pure market price action. Price will just take out this liquidity below here, thinking it to pop up, come back again, take out on that liquidity. Price is just ranging around there, looking for a particular time to boost. And I also thought NFP today, NFP will make price to break above this particular amount. I must see a break above this particular place, then we'll be expecting a push to the upside. But price didn't even care of breaking this particular place. So for this week, no clear price action on DXY. You understand? So the three trades we took this week, JPY, USD JPY, it was a profit. Euro JPY, GP JPY was into profit, except AUD, which took our loss. But we're still anticipating a new entry. A new entry is coming up on AUD. If you get this new entry before, oh no, we're not entering this market now. So it's already late already. We'll wait till next week. If this market is still valid, then we'll wait till next week to see a valid entry on this particular place. See you guys next time.